God, you're a professional mounter now.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi.
Oh, please. Do you see his hand movement just then? He did this. Do you see it? Yeah.
No, I was looking over there. It was the bit that turned into 40 that he was marked on.
I think they were sat in the 60 looking at the 40, but they were pointing down the hill trying to catch people. So unless they've like done a 180 in their van.
Oh yeah. So they're like, so they're catching people who haven't slowed down for the 40.
Yeah, if they've done that, yeah, exactly. If they've turned around, they're catching people not slowing down. But how they were looking before, they were trying to catch people speeding up to the 60.
No.
Yeah. It was 40, and then it goes up to 60, and they were looking at us going up into the 60. It was 40 for ages.
Yeah, no, but the box was, the camera bit, the back was facing into the 40 bit.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. So they're getting people coming out.
From the 40 into the 60?
No, from the 60 into the 40.
No, it's the other way around.
No.
We were driving towards their camera, right?
Yeah.
And we were driving towards the 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they were catching people going into the 60.
No, but don't they get you it's the back end.
If you're driving towards the back of the van, that's when they get you.
Oh, okay. I thought.
Yeah, there's a back flap that opens on the van, and that's what they stick the camera out of. If you drive towards the front of the van, they typically just catch people's like license plates with like a small camera, but it's out the back of the van they have the actual like speed camera. Yeah.
So we were driving. I don't fucking know. I'll Google that when I get in and all.
Yeah, a couple of things to Google when we get in.
Yeah.
So this is the road that we were sat on, and they were on the right somewhere looking down that way with their camera, catching people coming out of the 40 into the 60, which we're on the 60 now. Yeah. Are we in agreement? Are we just like arguing with the...
I don't know. I think we're in agreement of where they were, but we're not in agreement with...
With what they were catching people doing.
With which way the camera gets you.
The camera was pointing the way we're looking at the moment, I thought. Yeah.
So I would say that's getting people...
Oh, look, so here they are there. Look, they're there now, so...
Yeah, that's exactly how they were, but
so they're not looking at us right now. They can't catch our speed.
Yeah, but they will now.
Yeah, they will now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I reckon rather than catching me now, because it's very obvious where that van was, they're trying to catch people come round the corner, not like going faster than 40, and by the time they see the van, they're like, shit, it's too late to slow down, right? Because you come round the corner and then...
maybe can it get you both ways?
Well, it can, but you'd have to be a moron to go past the back of a speed camera and be like gunning it, right? After you've seen the police camera. You'd have to drive past the van and then speed up to get caught.
That's what they're looking for.
Yeah, no, but they're more trying to catch people coming round this bend the other way round, speeding, because by the time you've seen the van, it's too late.
Yeah, okay, we'll
agree to disagree.
No, we'll put that on ice until we get home and I can Google it.
I'm going to put a YouTube video out and we can... see what people think. So, I mean, in fairness, yes, they will be catching people going both ways, but they're more likely to catch someone coming from the other direction.
But
speeding.
As well, I feel like people coming from a 60 into a 40 are more likely to be speeding.
Oh, I agree, but they would have, but to catch people doing that, they should have been further along the road, looking back.
Well, no, because they're right on the cusp of it, aren't they? So the perfect place.
Sure. But I think like you can
because
already
they're
see
catching people not appropriately speeding down, giving themselves enough time.
No, I think they're trying to catch people coming round the 40 too fast.
Nah.
Yeah. Yes.
I think they're trying to get people not slowing down to the speed limit in time, because there's plenty of warnings for them to get.
I know, but
tell them it's changing.
But Baba, they're sneaky. They park round blind corners.
Sneaky. That is sneaky. It is.
It's not.
They literally. They weren't.
Stop making me laugh.
They weren't even a foot up. Shut up now.
I can't.
How do I mute this?